Hey everyone, welcome back to the second chapter. Now, if you've been following along, you'll know that we're deep into the renovation of our Spanish village home here in rural Andalusia, and somehow we're already on week 5, and it's kind of strange because some mornings I wake up and think, oh God, another week of this, and then I sit here now and I just think to myself, have we already done 5 weeks? Anyway, this week has been a bit of a mixed bag, really. We've had some real progress. We've had a couple of headaches and a few of those, why did we even bother doing this kind of moments? But I'm kind of guessing that's renovation life. Anyway, I've been filming a quick update at the end of each day. So I'll take you through everything we got done or try to get done day by day. So let's jump into the first day of week 5. Okay, so it's the end of day 21 of our renovation, and it's a really long one again. It's been another 12, nearly 13 hour day. So I'm going to go through what we've done today super quick because I'm really tired. But first job we done this morning was we broke out the floor just here. And the reason we done that was, you may remember in the last vlog, we couldn't fit the integrated dishwasher because the floor wasn't quite level. It was like 3 or 4 mil too high. So we've broken the concrete up there today, leveled it out and then re-concreted it. Another job we've done today is here. Hold on. Not sure if you could see that. Not sure if you could see that or not, but that was the we changed that outlet, so we've now got a twin outlet there because we forgot to put an outlet there, a double outlet there for the cold water supply for the dishwasher. We only put a hot water and a cold water, and we forgot to put the double in, so that's now been done. Another job we've done today is we've fitted the new light, LED light, so that's been done. And then we've also plumbed in the washing machine, because that was just pushed in by the fitter, so we had to pull that out and plumb that in, and that was a bit of a nightmare, but not as much of a nightmare as that light. Took us about an hour to fit that ridiculous amount of time. Anyway, that's all been done. What else have we done? And I built these chairs today for the breakfast bar. 2 of those I built, which I think look nice, so that's been done. And then up here we've filled this all around the door, all the way round, as you can see. So that's been filled now, because you may remember on the last vlog that was just holes. So that's been done. We've also filled that door as well, because that had holes all the way around it, so that's now been done today. We've still got a little bit more filling around the frame to do, but not too much. And then in here we fitted the bedroom door. Let me just close that so you can see. So yeah, we fitted the bedroom door today. Still got a bit of work to do on that, as you can see, but for the most part that's done. On the same on the other side. So tomorrow we'll carry on filling up the rest of the wall around the door just to get that ready to be painted. The same with the other 2 doors, there's a couple of slight gaps. And then I have no idea what we'll do after that tomorrow. But anyway, that's what's been happening on day 21. Okay, day 22 of our renovation, and it's currently around midday. So what we've done so far today is we've cleaned out the lounge, or the room that's going to be our lounge. And as you can see, we've started to tile. We were umming and ahhing whether to do like a brick type pattern or a diamond pattern with the tiles. But in the end, we've decided just to go like this. And the reason we've done that is because the dining room, which is just through there, which comes off from the lounge, runs in exactly that same way. So we thought it'd be better to keep it kind of uniformed. But anyway, I'll pick it up at the end of the day so you can see where we are. Okay, it's the end of day 22 of our renovation, and today we've started tiling on the lounge floor at last. And I'll be honest with you, it's been relatively easy because this room is one of the squarer rooms in the house, so the tiling's gone pretty well. So that's been started today. We've just gone straight on top of these mottled tiles because these tiles are probably, we broke one off the other day. I'd say these are, give or take, maybe 4 inches thick, and I'm not exaggerating. So they're really, really, really solid, and the amount of work and dust and noise to break these up really wouldn't be worth it. In actual fact, we'd end up with a floor underneath that was be worse to tile on than straight on top of these. So for that reason, we're going straight on top of this solid floor. But yeah, so these mottled tiles will be gone, and we're going for these. And I'll be honest with you, I think they look really nice and they make the room look a lot bigger. Now, the reason we've gone for these is because in the dining room, which you can see through there, these are the most similar colour we could find to them. Even though on the camera, that dining room looks kind of a reddy tile. It's actually very similar to this. I think it's just the light of the camera. But anyway, that's been done today so far. So tomorrow we should have the whole space tiled. So we've got this space here still left to do. One of the other things we've done today is as well, this door behind me, that we've taken off because even though we fitted it yesterday, there was a gap underneath the door of about, I don't know, maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches maybe. So the carpenter who made the doors, Miguel, he's come back today, he's took that door away and he's correcting it so it sits flush with the floor. But anyway, that's the end of day 22 of the renovation. So tomorrow I'll pick up the camera again and let you know how we get on. Okay, so it's the end of day 23 and today we've finished the floor tiling in the lounge. I can't actually move any more than that because it's still wet, but that's been finished. So tomorrow we'll get the skirting boards on, and then once that's done we can start the grouting. So we're getting a step closer every single day. Oh yeah, one of the other things that we done today was the carpenter brought back the door because there was a gap at the bottom of the door there of about 2 centimetres, and as you can see, that's now been extended, that door. So yeah, that was another job that was done today. Okay, so it's the end of day 24 of our renovation, and we've done quite a bit today, if I'm honest with you. The rain has been pouring down all day, but fortunately all the work's been inside work today. So the last job we got done, I'm going in reverse here, but the last job we got done today was fitting this. This is door number 5 that we had made. And yeah, that's replaced that horrible aluminium door that you may remember we had on before. So pleased with how that's come out, and the wall's all been set ready for me to start painting in here. Just a couple of skirting board tiles at the bottom really that need to be sorted there, and then on the other side of the door there's a little bit of hole filling to do. But anyway, that job was done. And there's a door from the other side. Can't really see much because we're still full of boxes absolutely everywhere. We're still living like this, boxes and bits everywhere down here in the entrance hall. But anyway, yeah, that's the door from the other side, and I think you'll have to agree that it's 1,000,000,000% better than the aluminium one. Okay, if you've been keeping up with the vlogs, you'll know that for the last 3 days we've been doing the tiling in the lounge, but that's now done, as you can see. Let me just walk into here. Well, I say it's done. We've still got to do the grouting, but the actual tiling's laid. So yeah, as you can see, that's all been done, and the skirting boards were also put on today. So they're the 2 jobs we've managed to do today, which is smash out the frame in the old door downstairs that I just showed you. We finished all the and fitted the new one. We finished all the skirting boards, finished the tiling. So basically the plan is tomorrow is to get this grouted, and then we'll see how much time we've got left in the afternoon. I'll probably get the doors tidied up where we need to fill around some of the door frames. But yeah, that's where we're at. Okay, so it's the end of day 25, and today it's been one of those days where we haven't really got everything done at all that we wanted to get done, but I'll tell you what has been done. The kitchen fitters have been back and they've now fitted the dishwasher for us, so that's another job that's been crossed off the list. And the kitchen is looking more and more complete all the time, as you can see. Still little bits to do, but we're slowly getting there. One of the other jobs that we've had to do today is this bracket here, this valve here, this water outlet, we noticed was dripping. So what we've done is we've had to take that out, I think for the third time now, and replace it with another brand new one, because the wall here, you can see that slight stain. We noticed the wall was getting damp, and that's what it was. There was just a slight drip, ever so slight drip coming out of that tap there. So anyway, that's been replaced today. The other thing we've done is we've also had to again change the valve for the dishwasher, because the one that they sold us was an incorrect size, even though they was told in the plumbing shop it was for a dishwasher. So the old one came out and that was changed again for the second time. So that's basically what's happened in the kitchen today. Now I'll take you upstairs. Okay, the other thing that was done today, which was the first job that got done, was the grouting in the lounge has now been done. So that's another step forward. And the other little jobs, I've just potted around and just filled up holes that you can see where the previous owner had pictures and stuff like that. And there was a bigger hole here, which I filled. That was something that was just bugging my wife, so I got that done. But yeah, that's been pretty much it for today. Hasn't gone as I wanted it to. I really wanted to have all the doors filled, like this door here you can see behind me. Every door in the house that we've fitted, all the new doors, still needs to be rendered off around it and filled and concreted, and I was really hoping to have all of that done today so that I could at least start painting this lounge over the weekend, but it's just not happened. So I think this weekend what I'll do is I'll work on my YouTube channel. That normally takes me all weekend anyway, and I'll just revert back on Monday to finish off these jobs. So at least then I can start thinking about getting this room painted. But anyway, that's the end of day 25. And that's week 5 all wrapped up. Living in a house while we're renovating it, honestly, is a challenge all on its own. It's definitely not for everyone. Every single night, you don't see it on camera, but we spend a couple of hours cleaning the house, just enough to make it livable for a few hours before the dust, the noise and the chaos starts all over again the next morning. But seeing the changes every single day, even if they're tiny, is massively rewarding, and it reminds us why we started this whole renovation project in the first place. If you want to follow the whole journey from the beginning, check out my renovation playlist. It's just here. And also, if you're thinking about making a move to Spain yourself, don't forget to email me to grab my free ebook, Your First Steps in Spain. My email for the channel is down below in the comment section. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please remember to hit that like button, drop a comment below, and if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to do, and it doesn't cost a penny, but it really helps this small channel to continue to grow. Anyway, enjoy whatever you're doing for the rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next one.